Hello again, Fish-A-Lots. Johnny Fish-A-Lot here, and in this video I want to show you just how terrible the non-slip loop knot is and why you should never tie it ever again. So we're going to go head to head in this video. We're going to tie a figure-of-8 loop knot, the non-slip loop knot. We're going to do a line breaking test on each. Let's check it out, and at the end of this video, you let me know which knot you're going to bring with you each and every time you go out there fishing. All right, let's get into it, Fish-A-Lots. I'm just gonna grab a pair of scissors here. I'm gonna take my lure, my jig head, I'm gonna wrap it around the scissors, and now I'm gonna try to break this knot. Well, let's see how we do here. Okay, now I'm putting a lot of pressure on it. Ah, man, and I just broke it there. You can tell it dug into my fingers pretty good there. And now take a look. The knot is still intact. The main line broke and not the knot. And that is how strong this figure-of-8 loop knot is, that you're more likely to break a nick or something in your main line than you are this actual knot. I'm gonna do the same test. Watch, you're gonna see I don't have to put nearly as much pressure on to break as I did with the figure-of-8 loop knot. So there we go, ready to break it. I got my scissors, something to hold the hook, and there you go. Easy to break. Took virtually no pressure at all, and that knot broke right there on the jig head. You see that? There's a piece of line that broke that's in the knot. The knot broke itself. Here's your tag end here, and that's it. So the knot failed, not the main line. Now, when I did this with the figure-of-8 loop knot, that figure-of-8 loop knot was hanging in there strong after I applied all that pressure to it. Okay, now I'm putting a lot of pressure on it. Ah, man, and I just broke it there. Take a look. The knot is still intact. And now we are going to test out the strength. Ready to break it. I got my scissors, something to hold the hook, and there you go. Easy to break. That knot broke right there on the jig head. You see that? There's a piece of line that broke that's in the knot. Oh, man. See, this is just a strong knot, and that's why I recommend this over a non-slip loop knot. Oh. Finally. There you go. There's your loop knot, fully intact right there. So now let's test the strength of the non-slip loop knot right here. So same thing, I'm just gonna put it in my scissors, gonna wrap it, and now watch. This is not gonna break nearly as hard as that figure-8 loop knot did. And there you go, effortless right there. And now we're gonna take a look here, and there you go. So the knot failed right there. So there's another figure-of-8 loop knot trying to break it. Oh, man. Oh, finally. Whew, look at my fingers right there. The indent from the line. And there you go. The knot's intact. All right, let's test it again. Let's see how strong we have to apply pressure here to make this knot break right here. Nothing at all, actually. See how quickly that broke? And again, the knot failed. Here's the line. Here's the jig head. There's nothing on the jig head. And here's the piece of the line that failed. Now, one of the things that comes up with the non-slip loop knot is that it's very weedless because that tag end points down towards the hook. So if you want to see a super easy solution on how to make every knot weedless, go ahead and click on this video right here where I show you the simplest of all simplest tips to make sure each and every one of your knots is just as weedless as a non-slip loop knot, only about 1,000 times stronger. So go ahead and check that out, Fish-A-Lots, and I'll see you out there on the water.